Hello and welcome to my recap of today. Today is August 4 and today I traded Nicola, sorry. I was watching Neo also, but I traded Nicola. So I waited for the first minute to develop. At this point, I saw that Nicola was gapping up 6%, but it made a huge candle to the downside. So I was thinking of shorting it because it also closed below VWAP. So once I saw that it was rejecting VWAP, I chose to enter short at this point, like a 1 minute orb at this point. Here. There. So, but it never moved in my side. It started to go against me and it made a real quick jump and it took my stop higher than it was expected. So when I saw that, I calmed down for that end of that candle, waited for the next, and I saw that it was supporting VWAP, but as a support, not as a resistance. So I decided to go long at this point, and it was a very good trade. It started to. I put my stop very far away to just don't get caught. And I started taking partials at the high of the day. There I took my first partial, then I took the other at 39, and then it started to go up very, very fast and very smoothly. So I was taking partials all the way up at the levels and at route numbers. So at this point, I saw that it wasn't going to reach the 40, so I moved my stop loss above break even, in a little bit above VWAP, and it stopped me out. And then I enter again I took a long because I saw that it was supporting VWAP. So, but it stopped me out very fast. Thankfully, I set my stop. Let me rewind. Yes, I set my stop below VWAP, and I stopped out before it even took me any further. So it wasn't a max loss stop there. Then I was watching the price action, seeing the 5-minute candles, and at this point I saw that it closed below VWAP, and in this candle it was showing some weakness. So I entered at the break of the low of the day, set my stop loss above VWAP, and I let it run a little bit for my first profit taken. Yeah, so I took my first profit there, took my second there, moved my stop to break even, and I started to watch it was getting weak, so I took some more before it stopped me out, and the rest was stopped out at break even. The next candle there. And at this point, I was already done with my day. So I decided to go short again because it was rejecting VWAP again. So I took it. I took one partial and moved my stop to break even, and it stopped me out at break even. And those were my trades for the day. I finished break even because the first loss was big, and the second trade that was the best, it got near being to complete the trade, but it wasn't good enough. So with the other trades I took, we were very small trades and not so good profit. So because the stop was very far away and the risk reward wasn't great. Okay, so it's break even day. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please let me know below. Thank you. Bye bye.